Hey everybody, the manufacturer sent me these pool and hot tub replacement pieces here just so I can do a quick unboxing for you. I'll open up the package and let you know what I think about the quality and feel of them. I know there's a lot of like replacement parts that you can get, and sometimes they come in like the molding or the plastic, just the overall feel of them. They feel like really, I don't know, I guess thin, almost like they're ready to fall apart already. So I think it's good to just have me open these up for you and let you know what I think about them so you know what to expect. All right, so first thing I can say is that the actual vinyl here, the plastic, it feels really strong. I'm pushing on it to see if it's going to break. Again, some of the pieces that you'll get, a lot of times, like the molding, it doesn't fit quite right, or you'll have like flaws or defects in it, and I don't see anything. I mean, it feels really strong and sturdy. The threads on them, that's another place where you could have problems if there was a not great manufacturing process. So just looking around these threads, they look really fine and crisp. So I like that. Again, I don't see a bunch of burrs and stuff from the mold inside of any of these spacings here for this cage front. So that's obviously a really good thing. So, if this is something that you're looking for, I'm going to go ahead and say I think these are really good quality. Seem like a really good product, so I don't think you could go wrong here.